Hey e-commerce business owners, imagine having a customer support system that works 24/7 without hiring extra staff, and you won't even need to write a single line of code. Sounds too good to be true? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Serge, and in today's video, I'll show you exactly how to automate your customer support using simple, no-code tools like ManyChat, Chatbase, and Make. At the end of this video, we have very own automated support system up and running. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about why automating customer support is a game changer for your e-commerce business. 24/7 availability. Your customers can get help at any time, even when you are sleeping. No more missing out on sales or leaving customers frustrated. Handle high volumes. During peak shopping times, automated support systems can handle hundreds of queries without breaking a sweat. Reduce response times. With automation, responses are immediate, boosting customer satisfaction and keeping people on your site longer. Before we dive into the setup, let me introduce you to the no-code tools we'll be using today. First one is ManyChat, a user-friendly chatbot platform that connects directly to Facebook Messenger, Instagram, or even WhatsApp. Perfect for automating conversation with your customers. Next one is a Chatbase. This tool uses AI to understand your chatbot's conversations, making your chatbot smarter and able to handle more complex queries over time. And last one, but not the least one, is Make, formerly Integromat, a powerful automated tool that connects your e-commerce platform, chatbot, and CRM to create seamless workflows without writing any code. First, we'll start with ManyChat, where we'll create our basic chatbot. If you haven't already, go ahead and create an account. Once you are in, follow these steps. Click Create New Flow and choose a simple welcome message. This will greet customers when they message you page. You can customize this greeting to say something, "Hi there, I'm a digital assistant for the name of your company. Try to answer questions. If you don't know the answers, you can always connect it to support and what is your question about." And then we are providing them some options like return or warranty or something else. So next one will be connecting the different types of the blocks. One of them options, it can be sending them to another flow with the general questions, answers, or asking the question here that will be like this. All right, what is your question about? Please type your questions, and below it's detailed as possible. So after this question is typed the question, it will be trigger the make, and then we will continue further to the make. Another option that you can connect all other options like return and warranty do the same, asking the questions and then trigger the make automation to go further. Once this chatbot is live, this flow in ManyChat is live, it can be also make more smarter using the Chatbase. Chatbase, you can download any sources of knowledge databases that you have about your company, about the questions, FAQs, or any other text. Even you can connect to your website and select it what pages should be used. Edit the Q&A and connect it to the Notion if you need. The most popular one is using the files. You have different types of files, PDF docs, the text files, or here that will be used by the Chatbase for knowledge. So next step, it is connect ManyChat with Chatbase using the Make tool. So it's created the scenario where Make watch incoming data, and this will be, as soon as the message is sent in ManyChat, it will trigger this scenario, and the written request or question will be sent to Chatbase, processed there, and then return to Make, and the flow with the answer received from the Chatbase will be sent to the user. Actually, that's it. Now that you set up all this system, Leaf, it's time to test it out. Send some messages to your chatbot and see how it responds. Does it answer the questions correctly? Is it fast enough? If everything works well, great. But remember, automation is never set it and forget it. Keep checking it on your system, especially using the Chatbase, to see how you can improve your responses and make your chatbot even more smarter. And that's it. You now have a full automated customer support system working 24/7 without writing a single line of code. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more no-code automation tips. Got questions about setting up your chatbot or automating workflows? Drop them in the comment below and I'll be happy to help. And if you're ready to take your e-commerce automation to the next level, stay tuned for more videos on powerful no-code tools. Thank you.